Hi, are you here for the 30-day Law of Attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in.
You will manifest so much faster when you understand the process. Hello, my positive peeps. This is Lori, your positivity princess. Welcome to the Lori Show. For the entire month of August, I have been doing a 30-day Law of Attraction crash course for beginners. Some of you have been here from the beginning. It's awesome. If you love the Law of Attraction crash course so far, all of the stuff we've covered, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know one big idea that you've gotten from one of the lessons. That would make me so happy. Today is day 29. Click here to get to the beginning, to video number 1. Each video is under 10 minutes long, to be mindful of your time, because I know we all have tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of stuff to do. Allow me to mention that course workbook. It's free and there's a link below in the description so that you can download it and follow along from the first lesson as well. For a quick recap of all the contents we've covered so far, you can go down to the description again. Today, I want to treat this lesson like a live one-on-one coaching session. You will walk through the manifestation of one desire that you have. We will use particular methods, but you can mix and match and swap in and out and use whatever feels right to you. So before starting, I want you to remember that before manifesting, you should already be in a contented, calm state. You are already practicing good habits, drinking water, doing short meditations, getting rest, and doing things that you enjoy. Now you are ready to manifest. Remember, you have to feel as good as possible and get that vibration up. I want you to have a piece of paper in front of you and start by folding it into 4s. In the top left, write the thing that you are manifesting. You can draw it or cut and paste a picture or just write it. In the second box, write your personal statement, so something positive, present, and powerful. So, for example, I am happy and grateful that I have my new Nikon P900 83x optical zoom camera. I'm excited to use this to take exceptional photos of my family and my cat. In the third box over here, you're going to write the emotions and feelings and sensations of being in the state of having that desire. It's kind of like setting yourself up for success. If you notice, I have included the idea of physical sensations that use the senses, emotions, feelings, even include characteristics that you would possess upon being in that state. So what would you be like? And then in this last box, this is where you will write your daily plan or routine. You will follow this for 21 days. This goes along with the cheat sheet with the idea of the daily routine idea. This will include the practices or methods that you will follow during 3 times a day. So every day, 3 times a day, you're going to do something in the morning, something in the afternoon, and something at night before bed. An example is, in the morning, I will begin with saying my personal statement 3 times. And I'm going to use as much feeling as possible. At lunchtime, I will script for 5 minutes, and at night, I will visualize my script. So that's morning, afternoon, and night. So you can use a 369 Tesla number method. This requires that you write your statement 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times right before bed. And I'll show you an example of that as well. Okay, so 3 times in the morning, 6 times at lunch, and 9 times just before you go to bed. For more on this Tesla method, there's a video by Amanda Jupiter. It explains everything very well, and I put a link in the description as well. Okay, the last step here is to let go and detach from your desire. I talked about this in the last video. This just means that once you have put your message and your request out into the universe, you then think and feel that you already have it, and then let go and forget about it for a bit. Well, how? How do I forget about it? So you can do something like a hobby that you love, watch TV. You can watch or binge watch The Lori Show, play video games, a board game. In other words, do things that distract you, keep you busy, keep you content, and keep your mind in the present. Each time you notice the lack of your desire, or your desired item or relationship, or whatever it is that you're manifesting, you are taking a step back. Don't be afraid, just be in the moment. Life is what happens while you're making other plans. Okay, my most intelligent, beautiful students, thank you so much for watching this and for coming to class today. Tomorrow we shall continue with the final lesson. Don't forget, if you have not already, please click that subscribe button. and hit that bell notification so you don't miss the next video, the next lesson. Okay, guys? Have a most beautiful, glorious, wonderful, fantastic, wonderful day. I love you so much, and be positive.